Is this fun or not fun? Is this fun?
Envy. Pancake? No, I bought this for hubby for Christmas. And guess who always wears it? I think I just ate more of Envy's pancake than she did. I'm sorry, sweetie. Okay, we got to go in and get Bounty. And I think that's pretty much it. That's the only thing. Paper towels is on the list. Oh. This is why it pays off to roam around the store, because we just realized we need dog food. Also run the risk of grabbing things you don't need. Oh, so we forgot paper towels, but we got dog food and cinnamon hearts.
Whoa, we almost lost you. What do you think of the snow? Oh, bit chilly? Okay.